Hi, Arjen from Lucas Fox here. Welcome to Montemayor. Today I will be showing you around one of our exclusive listings up here in Montemayor, where you can enjoy all the peace and quiet you want. And well, you can already see a little bit of these views. I'll show you more about that later, and I will tell you more about the property as well. Just follow me around. This villa has been built in 2009, still owned by the original owners. So even though the house is about 13 years old, it is still in amazing condition and has always been very well maintained. 5 years ago, the owners installed this beautiful open kitchen, tore down some walls, so that you really get this open living feeling. So actually the kitchen is only 5 years old, fully equipped, and I think all you need. Thank you for joining us in Montemayor today. Do you want to enjoy all the peace and tranquility you can get with views like this and a beautiful villa like this? Well, we're asking for 1,995,000 euros. Do you want more info? Just go to our website www.lucasfox.com or just contact me. See you next time.